In this video, we will be showing you how you can fix the LTE that is not working on your Galaxy Watch 8. First is to power off and then restart your Galaxy Watch and your paired phone. Next is on your Galaxy Watch, you can swipe down and then ensure that the mobile data is on. Next is for your phone. Confirm that the mobile data is on and you have enough data. Turn the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on again on both devices. Turn the airplane mode on and then off on the watch to reset the network connections. Now, another tip is for the wearable application. Close the wearable app on your phone and then reopen it. And then go to your phone's app settings for the wearable. Clear the cache or uninstall and then reinstall the application. Now, check for the remote connection. In the app, you can go to the watch settings and then head to the advanced features and then click the remote connection and ensure that it is toggled on. And that's how you can fix the LTE that is not working on Watch or Galaxy Watch 8. And thank you for listening.